How to make Google Chrome remember your tabs. So for example, if I open, let's say, that web address, it's Yahoo Mail, and I close the browser, then next time when I open Google Chrome, it's not showing Yahoo Mail, but it's showing a blank Google page. So let's see how to restore your tabs when closing the browser. Come here to the upper right corner to the three dots. And first let's go here to help, and by the way, this is here at about, it is version 149. So on this version of Chrome it looks like that. So go back to the three dots, go to settings, and here on the left side we have on startup. Click on that one, and instead of open the new tab page, click on continue where you left off. Okay, and now even with this page, if I close it and open Google Chrome once again, notice the same page where I just modified it before, it's restored. If I open the next one, let's say that mail and that mail, when I close the browser and reopen Google Chrome once again, all of those tabs were restored. So that's here at on startup, continue where you left off.